Bud.
Hey guys, we're out trying to get some shad today, so I'm going to film casting a net into actually it's a sewer drainage area where there's tons of baby shad, and we'll see if we can't catch some and get it on film for you to see how to cast a small cast net. I think it's like a 6 foot. So we'll be there in a minute, and you can see it up here. It's coming out on the side, a whole bunch of it. It's kind of a one-shot deal. You cast it, you don't get 2 tries at it for another 20 minutes because they got to come back. So I'll see you up there in a second. Okay guys, we're up at the sewer overflow. You can see it here over here you can see where the extra water comes out that they have. We're going to use this to catch lots of bait hopefully. We can get over here and get to shore. Okay guys, so I got out of the boat. We're up here at the outflow I guess. Make sure you have a bait bucket to put your bait in.
Where's the bait bucket?
I got a little 6 foot net. The way I do it is I make sure I don't have a Velcro thing, so I just have a rope. I just pull it back through and make it go around my wrist. Loop it so it comes off easy when you throw it. And then grab your heavy yellow thing, make sure it's all unspun. Grab that rope. And we're going to grab down to the bottom, pull one up, and then just sling it out. You want to make sure there's all your sinkers are hanging straight and not looped up. Then when you throw it, you're going to cast this arm out, hold this a little bit longer, it should open up and let go of everything at one time. And hopefully we get a good cast here. And that's it. That start the rope up. See if we're out further into there. Did we get any on that one? No, I don't know where they're at, guys. We might have to go out further into the see a little more open water, see if they moved out.
I do it like right about there. Even if we could
drop the anchor down. Yeah, I got you.
You got some? Sweet. And there you go, guys. There is some shad.